Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to use three important Japanese words, which is the kore, sore, and are. These words mean this, dot, and that over there, depending on how far the object is from the speaker or listener. Let's start. I'll give you 5 examples of using kore, which is the this means near the speaker. Example number 1, kore wa kan desu. In English, this is a book. Kore means this, referring to something close to the speaker. Hon means book. Second, kore wa watashi no pen desu. This is my pen. The speaker is holding or pointing to their pen. Watashi no means mine. Third, kore wa uishi keki desu. In English, this is a delicious cake. Uishi means delicious. The cake is near the speaker. 4. Kore wa sensei no kaban desu ka? In English, is this the teacher's bag? Sensei no kaban means teacher's bag. The speaker is asking about something near them. Last, kore wa atarashii fuki desu. In English, this is my new or this is new clothing. Atarashi means new. Fuku means clothes. The speaker refers to something close by. Now let's go to sore, which is the dot near the listener. Example number 1, Sore wa anata no hon desu ka? Is that your book? Sore means that, something near the listener. Anata no means your. Second, sore wa totemo kirei desu ne? In English, this is very beautiful, isn't it? Totemo kirei means very beautiful. The object is near the listener. Third, sore wa watashi no desu. In English, that is mine. The speaker indicates that the object near the listener belongs to them. 4. Sore wa omoshiroi ie ga desu. That is an interesting movie. Omoshiroi means interesting. The movie or DVD is near the listener. Last, sore wa takai desu. In English, that is expensive, you know. Takai means expensive. The item being talked about is close to the listener. Now let's go to using are or that over there, far from both speaker. Example number 1. Are wa yama desu. In English, that over there is a mountain. Are points to something far from both people. Yama means mountain. Second, are wa watashi tachi no kakko desu. That over there is our school. Watashi tachi no means our. The school is far from both speaker and listener. Third, are wa ookii ie desu. That over there is a big house. Ookii means big. Ie means house. The house is distant from both. 4. Are wa dare no jitensha desu ka? Whose bicycle is that over there? Dare no means whose. Jitensha means bicycle. It's far from. It's far away. And the last example is are wa byouin desu. In English, that over there is a hospital. Byouin means hospital. The speaker points to a distant building. And that's it. Now you know how to use kore, sore, and are. Remember, kore is a near me, sore near you, and are is far from both. Practice using this in real life. Point to things and say them aloud. Arigato gozaimasu for watching.